I love you from the bottom of my heart, babe. Let's do this.
Oh, my sail against the wind.
You know, this year has been particularly difficult, given all the big changes in our lives put on by this pandemic. But despite all these difficulties, it's made us appreciate certain aspects of our lives that we generally take for granted. So take a moment, look around, and really appreciate just how special this is. So we're all lucky to be able to get here together for this moment.
You're gonna find a way. Oh, you're gonna find a way. They could say you're ship or grace.
She's my absolute best friend. She's been my role model my entire life, whether I liked her or not. And she's definitely the one I got in most trouble with growing up. We are troublemakers. You put us together, watch out.
There's an ocean deep inside, slowly rising.
Seth's a great man. He's got a heart of gold, and he would really do anything for anyone without asking for anything in return. Me, on the other hand, I don't know what it is. I must still smell like Mountain Dew and pepperonis. So, as we sit here celebrating the marriage of these two, I realize that I'm not losing a friend, but I'm really gaining another one.
First off, I just want to thank you for being an amazing mother. Thanks for being my best friend. Thank you for always being there when I need you, whether it is for good or bad. I am the person I am today because of you and Dad. Thank you for showing me what love looks like. I just want to let you know how much I love you.
Yeah,
Very nice. Love you.
Love you.
Come walk with me down the only road we know.
They met on a service trip. They met helping other people.
Stay and watch the day grow. I've been waiting.
Morgan, you're hardworking, you're caring, and you bring out the best in Seth.
Come stand with me down under the stars and
Dear Daddy, I want to say thank you for being the best dad a girl could ever ask for. You have taught me so many things, and I know you will continue to do so.
moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to
Thank you for always encouraging me and believing in me and my dreams.
sit for the
I have so many thoughts and emotions running through my head. I'm not sure where to start. I've been dreaming about seeing you walk down that aisle for a long time.
stop everything in your arms and your outer.
To my better half, you were the brightest light that came into my life. You showed me what true love felt like. I'll never forget the first time I saw you. You're a blessing to me in ways you'll never know. I, Seth, take you, Morgan, to be my lawful wife.
I'm Morgan. Take you, Seth, to be my lawful husband.
We're gonna get through this.
We were waiting for
To have and to hold from this day forward,
For better, for worse, for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
and I wouldn't miss it for the
By the authority invested in me by the state of Florida, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Seth, you may now kiss the bride.
I have cherished every day we have spent together Words cannot express how much I love you and the amount of excitement I have to see what the future holds for us.
We can conquer all hardships in life together as one. I will always be there for you and will not let you fall.
Moment to arrive, waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for you, and I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Morgan, your mom and I love you. We're very, very proud of the beautifulness you've had inside and out.
Seth, you have one freaking hell of a wife. She, I know for a fact, is gonna love you on your best days and be there right there cheering by your side on your worst days.
Seth, thank you for being my husband and letting me be your wife. I love you very much.